Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle, and we just acquired an H1 stash. Got 3 bikes, an early H1 and 2 71s, and parts, and more parts. So we're going to lay these parts out here a little bit and just kind of take a little inventory here, and we'll share this with you. Okay, thanks. We got some stuff here. I thought the majority of stuff would be 69 to 72, but we found like a set of pipes for like a 74, 75. Got some head bolts here, and I think they're the same as A1, A7. Got a stack of cylinders. Got some engine bottom ends. Got a bag of pistons. Got a couple extra body parts here. And a couple transmissions, and box of electrics here. I'm not really selling any of this just yet, but as soon as I get the bikes put together, then I'd be interested in selling off some of the stuff. I just want to make sure all the bikes have the original engines, and I want to make sure that it's all good. So more to come. All right, gate number 2. There's some nice sales literature on the Kawasaki for 71 right there. Nice stuff. Nice book. Nice little book there written. Nice advertising poster for the 72 H1. Lot of extra stuff. Some kind of Honda carburetor managed, looks like a can. But how about the 3-in-1 exhaust? Not a whole lot of those out there left. Got some extra meters, the side cover, I think that goes to the bike inside. Got extra heads for 79 and up Honda 750. We have a header system. A couple more carburetors. Now this tank, I don't know what year it is. It might be 73 or it might be 74, 75. They used to have difference. One was welded and one wasn't, but I don't know the later model H1s that well. So I'm not sure. I'm leaning more towards 74, 75 because I think that the 73 only was more coarse weld right here. Not positive on that. I'm not an H1 expert. But anyway, here you go, and we got more stuff coming. Looks like the pile never ends. I found another motor in there. And this is a later motor because it's not, doesn't take the magneto. I'm not sure what year it is, but we probably figured it out. And got some more shocks and a sprocket carrier, another kicker. And here we got a nice extra front wheel, nice extra frame. And a couple more goodies here and there. So like I said, after we put these bikes together, we're going to probably start selling off parts, but not until then. But anyway, this gentleman had these bikes for a long time back in high school, so he just finally decided to get rid of them so he could travel the world with his sweetheart. This is the bike collection. There's a 71 here. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. Missing the seat bar and stuff, but I could probably come up with that. The gentleman had these for probably every bit of 40 years. So, and as you can see, I have a bunch of parts. So I think we can part them all together, get them fired up. Here is another 71. And here's the oldest one. So they're all in pretty good shape. Now this one has S2 gauges on it, and he purposely put these on it because he didn't like the little ones. So anyway, it is what it is. His choice. They're mine now. this is a nice bike. This is a super nice bike. So we're gonna start to kind of put them together and get them running and maybe take them for some rides and stuff. But man, what a nice find. What a nice find. Just when you least expect it, something like this comes along, and I thought I was done buying stuff forever, but I'm not now, I guess. Okay, well, just thought we'd show you what we have. We won't be getting to these things for a little bit, but just kind of want to show you what we have. Okay, thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.